I'm so tired. Okay, let me keep going. Okay guys, so I'm starting with freshly washed dry hair. Absolutely no product. It's very fluffy. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys my process of how I define my hair so I can wear it like that for like a week and like different hairstyles, down, whatever. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, and for the star of the show, I'll be using the Wetline Xtreme gel. This gel works amazing to define my curls. Just like clumps them together. I get like great definition. So I will be using this gel along with a leave-in conditioner. Oh, you're just gonna have to find a leave-in conditioner that works well with this gel, that doesn't give you flakes. And you can do that by doing like I forgot the name of it, but it's like a test where you put like the gel and the product that you want to use in your hair, and you mix them together like on the back of your hand or the palm of your hand, and if it turns like clumpy or like super white, then it'll probably put flakes in your hair when you add it to your hair. I was able to find a leave-in conditioner. I just found it in my hair products and it worked well, so I'm gonna use it. It is the African Pride Olive Miracle Oil Moisturizer Lotion. Yeah, works great with this product, so that's what I'll be using. First thing I'm gonna do is split my hair into 4 sections because I like to work in sections. And let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my hair into 4 sections. I have 1, 2, 3, and then this section is just out. Now this section is pretty big, so I am going to split it in half. And so yeah, because this section is pretty big, so you may have to do that if your sections are still big, because my hair is extremely thick. Once I do that, I'm going to detangle my hair. Now I like to do, like, I guess you would call this a wash and go, just defining your curls. I like to do mine on dry hair, but to detangle my hair does have to be slightly damp, because you don't want to detangle dry hair. You don't want to be ripping out hair and stuff. So I am going to slightly wet my hair, add in the leave-in conditioner that I'm using, and a little bit of water to detangle my section. Once it's detangled, it'll be ready to like apply the gel. So I'm going to go ahead and just split this real quick. Okay, so this section is a little bit better to work with. It's a little bit smaller, easier to detangle and add my products to. So I'm going to go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner, a little bit of water, show you guys how I do that. To gently mist my hair. I don't want my hair too wet because I can like define my curl better whenever it's not soaking wet. My hair shrinks up a lot and my curl definition just doesn't seem that well. So putting my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to finger detangle, then go in with my comb or a Denman brush, whatever you use. I detangled this section and it's soft from the leave-in conditioner, and now it is time to add the gel to get the definition that I have been craving. Time for the magic. I'm going to rake this gel through my hair. I like to get the gel on the roots of my hair, the ends, and then work the gel through my hair. I like to do it in that order because I like for my roots to be flat, you know, to really be defined, and my ends, and it's just easier to get the rest of the hair once I hit those spots. So let's go ahead and do that. Splitting this off, I'm going to start with this section right here. Here's a before. Okay. Get my gel. I'm going to get the roots. and get the ends. Then a little bit more gel for the rest of the section of hair. So y'all saw the before. And I'm just raking it through my hair, smoothing it, raking, smoothing, really just helping the product clump my curls, but it does a good job of doing that on its own. And look at that. What? You guys see that? Curls. Defined curls. So it was like this at first, and now we got this. And then if you want to really make sure that the gel is like really helping your curls, you can use a Denman brush and go over that section. So I'm going to do that real quick. Here's my Denman brush. So I'm just going to continue with this section defining my curls. Split this in half and get some gel. I'm getting the roots. And the ends. In the middle. Rake it through. Okay. Look at that. It's shiny and bouncy. Alright, I have this back section. Go ahead and do that. Alright, I got this section done. Get a little bit closer so y'all can see the definition. Alright, so if you remember, I had split this back section into two. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that other section and start working on that. I'm going to do the same thing, detangle it with a little bit of water and the leave-in conditioner, and then start smoothing and raking the gel in. Okay, I'm finally done detangling this section. This is like, well, for me, the hardest part and longest part of this process is detangling my hair, because if you can't see already, it's
really extremely thick.
Now I can start on the fun part. I got my gel right here. Get the roots, the ends. Alrighty. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna grab another section. Okay, so you guys have pretty much seen my process of how I'm just detangling with a little bit of water, just a little. My hair is not like soaking wet. It's just soft enough for me to like detangle my hair without like my hair being dry and like ripping. And then I add leave-in conditioner, which softens my hair. Once that's detangled and soft, I add the gel in sections. As you can see, I'm not taking this this whole entire section and add the gel, because I don't think I'd be able to get this nice definition if all the hair was together. I split the sections into sections and then rake and smooth the product in, and this gel just works so great that I was able to get this definition. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do half of my head so you guys can see with what like half of my hair looks defined. Alright guys, I'm back. I got half of my hair done. So we got definition on this side, shiny, and I still got this side to go. This is a lot of work and I'm really proud. And my hair is not all the way dry. I mean, the roots are still wet, but like the ends are almost dry. So this gel dries pretty quickly. Okay, so I'm going to continue what I did on this side to this side. Alright guys, so I just finished defining all of my hair, and as you can see, I have been putting like these scrunchies on my hair to help keep my hair like separated, but also this is a great way to stretch your hair and to let your hair dry in. And if you do this, when you take it out, your hair will be like kind of more stretched out, but like it still keeps the hair defined. So that's one option. Or you could go in with a blow dryer and blow dry maybe like the roots of your hair and then work your way down. Of course, you don't want to use a setting that's too high. You don't want to get any heat damage, but I sometimes use a blow dryer if I'm like in a rush, but I just have to be very careful, make sure I'm not too close to my hair. And you can sleep like this. When your hair is in this style, you can sleep with these scrunchies in your hair, put you a scarf and a bonnet on, and when you wake up in the morning and take these off, your wash and go will be perfect. I'm gonna let my hair dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys how my hair looks all dry. Alright guys, so I'm back a couple of hours later. It's the end of the day and my hair is dry. This is how my hair looks dry. All the way dry. Y'all, I really love the results. So yeah. So the gel made my hair like a little bit hard, like it has like a what is it called? Like a seal over the hair, but I still have movement. Like it still has movement, and yeah, it just has like the perfect amount of hold, because like look how much definition I was able to get. So yeah. And the great thing about it is that this is day 1 hair, which means tonight when I go to sleep and I put my hair into those scrunchies that I showed you guys earlier, my hair is going to get bigger and longer. And as the days go by, like probably by like day 3 or day 4, my like fro is going to be much bigger, much longer, and I really like that. So yeah, that is what I do to achieve this look. I'm able to put my hair into like a whole bunch of different hairstyles like this. I can wear my hair down, up. If I had bangs, but my bangs are kind of longer, you could do just like bangs, but I might have to cut. I mean, these were bangs, but now they've kind of grown, but I don't know. Side part. There's lots of things you can do. So yeah, if you guys liked watching this video on how I achieved this look, please like and consider subscribing, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos like this, or recommend some in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and maybe might try it yourself, because that gel, the Wetline Xtreme gel, did amazing. So yeah, again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!